Good morning everyone. So today we are going to do the comprehension part of the chapter Pippi Longsticking. Okay, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. पहला है नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ओके, तो मैंने सारे क्वेश्चन सर एक कॉपी में लिख लिया है. तो यहाँ पे मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी और कॉपी से मैं आपको आंसर बताऊंगी. नंबर 1, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ पिप्पीज हाउस. ओके, द नेम ऑफ पिप्पीज हाउस वाज विला वेलेकुल्ला. ओके, देन what were Tommy and Anika thinking while standing by their gate? While Tommy and Anika were standing by the gate, they were thinking about what they should do, whether anything exciting was likely to happen or whether it was going to be one of those dull days when they could not think of anything to play. Okay. Number C. What was unusual about how Pippi went on her morning walk? The unusual thing about Pippi's morning walk was that she walked with one foot in the gutter and on one foot on the sidewalk. On her way back, she walked backward. Okay, then number D. Which three countries did Pippi say she has been to? The three countries are the Congo, Egypt and farthest India. Okay, number 5. Where were Pippi's parents? Pippi's mother was dead and her father was on a cannibal island. 6. What did Anika say to Pippi about lying? Anika told Pippi that lying is a bad thing. Okay, then G. Say 7. What did Tommy realize while he was speaking to Pippi? While he was speaking to Pippi, Tommy realized that he was not going to have one of those dull days. Meeting Pippi was something new and exciting in his life. Okay. Then number 8. What was the name of Pippi's pet monkey? Pippi's pet monkey's name was Mr. Nilsson. Number 9. How do we know that the monkey was polite? We know that the pet monkey was polite because he takes off his hat and bows to greet Anika and Tommy. Okay, then these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. J. What details from the story show us that Pippi is a remarkable child? Pippi's dress is unusual. Her shoes are twice as long as her feet. She walks with one foot on the sidewalk and other in the gutter. She also walks backward. She talks about strange places and strange people. She keeps a monkey as his pet. Okay. Then number K. How many lies do you think Pippi tells in the extract? Pippi tells 8 lies. Okay. Then number 2. Say whether the following statements about the story are true or false. Number 8. Tommy and Anika lived next door to Pippi. True. The monkey was wearing a orange tie. False. Pippi's house were too small. False. Tommy was very shy. False. Pippi walked home backward. True. Pippi invited Tommy and Anika to breakfast. True. Then number 3. Answer the question about this line from the story. We can be friends anyway, can't we? Number A. Who said this? किसने कहा? Pippi said this. Okay. Number B. Who replies and what do they say? Tommy replies saying, "Oh, sure." C. Why was the speaker worried that they might not be friends? Anika had said it was weak to lie, so perhaps Pippi thought they could not want to be friends. Okay. Working with words. Use the following words and phrases from the passage in sentence of your own. इसका हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे वर्ड दिया, हमको सेंटेंस बनाना है. नंबर ए, स्टेप्ड आउट मतलब बाहर निकालना पैर. आई स्टेप्ड आउट ऑफ द कार. ओके. हैड नो आइडिया, कोई आइडिया नहीं होना. आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट ही सेड. वंडरिंग वेदर, सोचना. आई वॉज वंडरिंग वेदर माई सिस्टर वॉज हियर. डी. ग्रो इनटू, बढ़ना. इट वॉज लाइक वॉचिंग ए स्पार्क ग्रो इनटू ए फ्लेम. गैदर्ड मतलब इकट्ठा करना. वी गैदर्ड ब्लूबेरीज फ्रॉम द बसेस. इट मस्ट बी एडमिटेड, इसको एडमिट करना ही पड़ेगा. इट मस्ट बी एडमिटेड दैट वी आर अनेबल टू आंसर ऑल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. रिमार्केबल मतलब अजीब, मतलब उसको नहीं भूलना. सी हैज मेड रिमार्केबल प्रोग्रेस. यू कैन बी श्योर मतलब श्योर होना. यू कैन बी श्योर ही नोज हु द विनर विल बी. पोलाइटली बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. सी पोलाइटली आस्क्ड हर मदर फॉर परमिशन व्हिच वाज ग्रांटेड. ओके. लर्निंग अबाउट लैंग्वेज participles. Fill in the blanks in the following. The first one has done for you. Break इसका ये वर्ब फॉर्म है, 3 वर्ब फॉर्म. ब्रेक ये सिंपल पास्ट, ये पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. ब्रेक, ब्रोक, ब्रोकन. गो, वेंट, गॉन. स्ट्रीम, स्ट्रीम्ड, स्ट्रीम्ड. से, सेड, said. So, sowed, sown. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Hear, heard, heard. Spread, spread, spread. Okay. Number 2. Use all the words in the end columns in the sentence of your own. इस लास्ट वर्ड को हमें सेंटेंस बनाना है. ब्रोकन, ब्रोकन मतलब टूटना. दे हैड ब्रोकन द रूल्स, तोड़ना. ओके. गो, गॉन, गॉन का क्या हुआ, सॉरी सोन, बी नंबर सोन. दे वर सोन द ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग. सोन मतलब दिखाना. गॉन, गॉन मतलब जाना. ही हैड गॉन टू सी ए मूवी. चीटेड, आई नेवर चीटेड ऑन यू. हर्ड, सुनना. I heard that uncle is coming to visit us. Streamed, tears streamed down her face. गिरना. Okay. G, said, he said he wanted to go to town. बोलना. Spread मतलब बिखरना. Ranu spread some jam on slice of bread. Okay. Then articles. Number 3. Add articles. Add articles to the following where necessary. Note that not all the blanks require an articles. Once upon a time there lived a king who was a fine man. Okay. The kingdom he ruled was very large. Okay. Here we don't need any articles. And all the people lived in it were, यहाँ पे भी article हमें नहीं चाहिए, जरूरत नहीं है. Happy and prosperous. One day a great flood of water came pouring down from the mountains and swept away the places and most of the cities. Many of the people were drowned, but the king sent his army, carried everyone to some high ground. In this way he saved many peoples from death. We don't need any articles here. Okay. Then using who or which. Number 4. Join the following sentences which, who or which. Remember that we usually use who for people and which for things. हम who तब यूज करते हैं जब हम people के बारे में बात करते हैं, और which तब यूज करते हैं जब हम things के बारे में बात करते हैं. things के साथ लगाते हैं. Okay. Number A. This is a dog. It की जगह में it को काट के हम which has a strange name. Number B. This is the bin. यहाँ पे which the dog, यहाँ पे which the dog stripped it out. This is the teacher. C की जगह में who told the boys to be quiet. Number D. These are the children. Okay. दे को काट के who are throwing water at us. Number E. This is the fence. यहाँ पे which looked, दे को काट के which looked over it. This is Mohan. who he की जगह में who लगाए. who lives next door. G. This is the cat. it को काट के which लगाएंगे. which comes into our house every night. Okay. Then nouns. Number 5. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. A. Once upon a time there was an old man, Ramji. Okay. Number B. One day he took his dog and went to the forest. Number C. Suddenly out of the bushes came a fierce tiger. Ramji was afraid, but his dog feared no man or creature. Number E. It took one step towards the tiger and barked. Number F. Ramji stood with his back against a tree. G. Soon the tiger ran into the forest. H. Ramji went home and told his wife about their brave pet. I. Well done, she said in a loud voice, and the dog wagged its tail. Okay, तो हमने इसका सारा कंप्रेंशन खत्म कर लिया. आई होप सबको समझ में आ गया और सबको अच्छे पसंद आया हो. तो अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.